Hi, welcome to Glam by Lottie. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I do my face makeup. I already did my eyebrows, and if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, I have a tutorial. And just be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and just keep on watching. So what I'm going to start off is priming my face. I'm going to use a Snow Pore Blem Primer, the Snow Pore Blem Prime Essence by Touch and Soul. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix them together. Just gonna put a little bit on my finger. Put it right here. This is for the pores. Put it on my forehead.
Right here, I have large pores. A little bit right here.
Okay. Now that they're all rubbed in, I'm gonna take the prime essence. Put that too. A little bit on my forehead. A little bit right here. A little bit on my nose. My chin.
And so what I'm going to do is,
I'm gonna take this e.l.f. stapling small brush, and I'm just gonna blend this out because it's harder for me to put primer on my forehead. Then just blend it out. Make sure everything blended. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is just gonna do that, and I'm gonna take my foundation, my Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. Excuse me. I'm in the color 07 Sand. I usually use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F12, but I ran out. So what I'm gonna do is just take it, has a pump. Take a little bit on my finger and go like this on my nose. Put a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my brush, take this face one cosmetic brush. Oh boy, I think I got this at Walgreens. I'm just gonna blend it out.
Here's my, it's a little white on me. Laying down it.
Put a little bit more on. That's all blended out. I'm going to take my beauty sponge and blend it, make sure there's no streaks. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is take my Tarte concealer in the shade light medium. Put a little bit right here. And now I'm gonna blend this out. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is set my concealer and the powder I'm gonna be using is Fit Me, the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade medium 25, and I'm just gonna start baking. Take it on my beauty blender. I'm just gonna take it like that. Put some on my, wherever I put the concealer, I'm gonna put it. I'm just gonna bake. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is ready time to take it off. I'm gonna get this fluffy docolor brush. Just gonna start, and whatever I'm gonna put the leftover powder all over my face.
Make sure all that powder's on.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do is do a little bit contour. Take this Cover Effects contouring, face palette, Perfector face palette, and I'm gonna take this contour shader here.
Just put it like that.
And I'm gonna take whatever's left of my brush. I'm gonna go like this. Put a little bit on my brush. Take a little bit on my forehead.
Make sure it's blended out.
And now what I'm gonna do is put a little bit of blush. Take this Lottie London in the shade Zack, really nice rosy pink shade. And put that all over my cheeks. And blend it out to right here. On this side. So what you're gonna do is, if you put too much blush or it's too pigmented in it, what you're gonna do is take your beauty sponge, put your foundation on, and just go like that. See, that looks pretty. Okay. And now what I'm gonna do is put on highlight. Take this ofra Cosmetics highlight in the shade Rodeo Drive. Like that, it broke. That's okay. Take this docolor brush. Just gonna put a little bit. My finger, put a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my cupid's bow, put a little bit more on this side. And now I'm gonna, so now I am going to take a little bit of setting spray. Just gonna set my face with this badescu skin care facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. It smells super good. Okay, now we're just gonna go like this. Vanish so. So what I like to do is take my beauty blender, go like this, make sure everything is packed in. And what the spray does is just melts all the powder and all that into your skin, so you don't look super cakey or anything. But what the beauty blender does too is pack it into your skin, so it melts nice to the skin. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is put on this Kylie Jenner lipstick, velvet lipstick in the shade Savage. And the eyes. And if you want to see an eyeshadow tutorial, that will be my next video. So this is the complete look, and just make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope y'all like this video, and just thank you, and see y'all in my next video. Bye.